this video, I'll talk about how you can connect Bybit to a TradingView account. So first you want to create an account, head over to tradingview.com, go to products and select super charts. Once you're on the chart, what you want to do is come down here to trading panel, click on this, and you can make it bigger or smaller by dragging on this bar right here. Once you've done that, you will be able to see the trusted brokers, and then you just want to look for Bybit. So click on all brokers if you don't see it immediately, and then just scroll down until you find Bybit. Click on it, press connect, and then follow the steps to connect your account. Now keep in mind you also need obviously to have a Bybit account, and you need to verify it. And once it's connected, it's gonna look like when you have any account here. You will be able to see your account balance and your trades and everything like that. So then you can simply start trading directly from in here using your Bybit account. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.